Have you ever met a millionaire and really wanted to get rich yourself? Making money obviously requires some work, but it all starts with having the right habits and mindset. In this video, we will be talking about a few facts that will help you get rich. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Mindset is king. You need to start thinking like a millionaire in order to become one. You can approach this by reading or listening to podcasts that help you modify your thought processes. This will help you become an owner, an inventor, or an innovator. Shifting your mindset to become a creator, instead of just being a consumer, will help you start improving your position financially. Self-development also involves improving your health. You can think more clearly when you're healthier. Creativity and innovation happens more easily if you're not sluggish all day. Make one small change to improve something right now. This leads us to our next point. One of the first attributes you should develop is the habit of setting goals. Without a goal, you are a ship without a sail. To make this easier, start with small goals. The goals could be physical, mental, or financial. For example, you could set a goal to save $100 every month, and you could take half of that money and invest it. Make this a game for yourself. How much money can you make outside of your regular job? Just don't get stuck trading more time for money. Here's why. You'll eventually run out of time during the day to make money. You need to value your time since it is limited. Watching Netflix after work won't bring you any financial success. Make time your best friend. If you buy a stock that pays a dividend, you can continually reinvest that dividend to buy more stock and make more money. Similarly, if you create a YouTube channel and build it until you get paid, it will continue to pay you every month for videos you created years ago. What other businesses will pay you for work that you only do once? They're out there. Imagine that you are a tabletop. Let us then imagine your job as the leg that holds up the tabletop. What happens if you lose your job? You need to have several legs to help support you in times of emergency and to help you grow financially. There are businesses that you can start with no money, such as print on demand and affiliate marketing. If you already have some money in the bank, make it work for you. Consider investing in businesses or real estate. Due to inflation, the value of money decreases if it only sits in the bank. Research different ways you can make money that wouldn't require a constant trade of time. We say be mindful of debt because not all debt is bad. An example of unnecessary debt would be if you paid $20 for lunch every day when you could just bring a sandwich to work. Good debt is something that buys an asset or a business. If you can make more than the money you spend on buying the business, it would be considered good debt. Also, not all assets are expensive. What could you buy that you could turn around to sell for a profit? Or what could you buy that could make you money every month? These are a few important facts that should help you on your path to getting rich. Do you have any other ideas that could help you build wealth? Let us know in the comments section below.